So alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, this video we're just gonna be doing some analysis for the upcoming week. So let's see how we can make some little cash, you know what I mean? So without me not just wasting a lot of time, let's just get straight into the chart. So as you can see, this is GBP USD, the daily time frame. So you already know that GBP USD has been bullish for a very long time. So what do you have to do? You have to keep on buying. Now let's go to 4 hours time frame. I've done this analysis already, but let me just explain what I've done in order for you to understand. You get me? So now if you look at the structure, now there was a break of structure for your overall break of structure. So this is the low that caused this break. Now there was an internal break of structure from here. Here now turns liquidity. Also internal break of structure. All these lows are liquidity lows. More like traps, inducement, liquidity. More like traps. So I'm expecting price to do all the way down to this area, tap into this area like this, and before we go bullish again. You understand me? So if you look at it now, this is our 4 hours order block. Don't forget, you need to mark your 4 hours order block before you take your entry. Your 4 hours order block. And what is even making this area valid, what is making this other block to be valid is we have a fair value gap before the 4 hours order block, so we are expecting to buy from here. So I'm expecting price to sweep all these lows and tap into this area before we buy. So it's very simple. As a smart retail trader, after your break of structure, expect to pull back down to your 4 hours order block. If your 4 hours order block is too big, get the middle. Use Fibonacci. I've talked about this thing before, so if you have not watched my video, just go back to my YouTube channel. Some of the videos are there, so just go and watch it. Get the middle of the 4 hours order block, or use the last candlestick before the bullish run or the bearish run. That's where to mark your order block. So after getting it there, you have to wait for price to sweep out either liquidity or inducement before you take your entries. So it's very simple. As you are trading like this, don't forget to apply your risk management. Let's go to let me check other pairs. Let's go to Euro USD, sorry. So for Euro USD, the same structure. So if you see what's happening here, there was a good clear break of structure. Now price has pulled back, so I'm waiting for price to sweep this low, because this low now turns inducement and liquidity. There was an internal break of structure from here. There was an internal break from here. So this low now turns liquidity. So I'm expecting price to come and sweep all this low and tap into this area. Let's go to our 2 hours. Let's go to 2 hours time frame. Okay, I know that it was 2 hours. That was where I met the other block. So the other block is still very fresh. It's still unmitigated. So we need to expect price to come here and tap it then before we move. So it's very easy. Break of structure, expect liquidity sweep or inducement sweep. All these are inducement already. At least we have passed this stage. We're not supposed to be falling for all this inducement trap again. It's liquidity stage now that we are in. How to spot your liquidity areas. So inducement is normally all these ones they are normal. These are traps deceiving that okay, yes, so they want to start buying, before you know they will come back and sweep your SL. So this stage, you have passed this stage already. So this is the main stage. I know some of you will be marking here as your POI. Marking your POI is very risky. Very risky, because okay, you have also seen price now. Price reacted normally because this is a good 4 hours order block. Price reacted, but now it's coming back. It's still going to sweep you. Don't forget that there's still a week here. There's still a week here. And don't forget what I told you before. If you have not watched my video, I've explained all these things. So I don't know what you are doing. So anyway, you are seeing weak. You need to have the mindset that okay, yes, a lot of money is resting under here. There were some early buyers that bought from this area and their stops are under here. They are holding. Price will come and sweep all of them and tap here before we expect the move. So let's be patient and let's see what this week has for us. So let's go to other pairs. Let's check BTC. Okay. For BTC, let's go to daily time frame first. So BTC is bullish, so I'm expecting to buy. Yes, I'm expecting to buy BTC. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. So as you can see, there was a good break of structure from here. There was a good break of structure from here. Yes. So now, to me, this area now turns liquidity because a lot of money are resting under this low. A lot of money are resting under this low. So here now turns liquidity. So I'm expecting price to move all the way down to this area before we long. I know some of you will be saying, why not this area? I have my reason why I'm choosing this first area. Now the reason why I'm choosing this first order block is because, first of all, liquidity has been swept already. Second, liquidity has been swept already. So here is now the should I say, the surest order block that price is going to mitigate there before we expect the bullish run. Let me go to 2 hours. Let me show you something. There's still a good fair value gap there. And there's still a breaker block here. This break or structure breaker block. So I'm not expecting BTC just to pull all the way down to this area first before we buy. I'm expecting price. If once I see BTC here, I will go long. So, and don't forget, let's go to 4 hours time frame. And don't forget, you see pairs like BTC USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, they move the same way. So if you look at GBP USD now, you see that it's almost close to its SPY, which is the other block. Look at Euro USD, almost close to its SPY, the other block. So BTC, the same thing. The nearest one before the liquidity or after the liquidity, that is the one that you're going to trade. This is the one that you're going to pick. Did you get? So it's easy. The nearest order block after your liquidity sweep and inducement sweep, that is one you're going to pick. Not actually the extreme. Depends on what the structure shows you. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So I'm expecting price to pull all the way down to this area then before we long. So now let's go to GBP. Let's leave GBP JPY for now. Let's go to gold. So for gold is still bullish, but I'm not trading it. I'm not trading gold for now. So gold is still bullish. So very, very simple. Break of structure and price swept liquidity. Tap here, then before the run. So gold is still bullish. And for USD card, I'm expecting price to sweep all these lows. So just sell the way down. So we're gonna tap here if I will buy again first. So these are the pairs that I'm trading for now. So these are the pairs that I'm looking at, that I'm watching for now. So any other update again, I'm going to send it on my Telegram group. So you guys need to be active, you know what I mean? So it is very, very easy. Don't stress yourself. Don't pressure yourself. After a break of structure, as a smart VT trader, you need to expect a pullback down to your 4 hours order block before you take your entries, waiting for liquidity to be swept and inducement before you move. You get? So it's very, very easy. So guys, let me not just waste a lot of time. This is what I'm expecting the coming week. So guys, stay tuned and let's see how we can make some cool cash, you know what I mean? So I love you guys so much. See you guys at the top, man. And do it to like, share, comment, and engage. You know what time it is. Share it to your friends. Today I was kind of busy, so I didn't really. I was not on live today. I was really busy throughout from morning till. As I'm even talking to you now, I'm shooting this video around. This is after 28th of September 2025. After 8 in the evening. I have no choice. I just have to show up. You know what I mean? I have no choice. Despite the fact that yes, I am so busy. I need to show up just for you guys. because of the love I have for you. Huh? Sure? Don't worry. So, see you guys at the top, man. I love you guys so much, man. I got you guys. So if you're not in my Telegram group, just join this link now. That you're seeing on the description. Join and let's make money. Let's see how it's going to be for this week. I love you guys so much, man. Peace out, man. One love. Peace. Cheers.